evening. This is your weekdays weather summary report. I am Matilda Ingrid G. Guevara, your reporter. Last Monday, 24th of February, we saw some passing clouds at daybreak, which turned to overcast during early morning. The blue sky was not very visible. At noontime, it was partly sunny, and towards the night there were passing clouds again with some scattered clouds. On the 25th of February, there were sprinkles or little rain with passing clouds at dawn, which became overcast with sprinkles during noontime. It became partly sunny before sunset with overcast again last Tuesday evening. We saw on Wednesday, 26th of February, mostly passing clouds in the early morn, and then became overcast during the most part of the day before there were passing clouds and cool haze in the night time. Yesterday, 27th of February, was mostly scattered clouds and passing clouds. Early afternoon saw partly sunny, but the night turned into no visible stars or overcast. This day, Friday, 28th of February, was the brightest of the weekdays, as we saw mostly partly sunny, early morning, and well into the afternoon. And there were the stars and scattered clouds seen in the Friday night sky. To summarize the weather during the past weekdays, February 24th Monday, passing clouds. February 25th Tuesday, sprinkles and overcast. February 26th Wednesday, passing clouds and overcast. February 27th Thursday, scattered clouds. And lastly, February 28th Friday, partly sunny and scattered clouds. Again, this is your weekdays weather summary report from GMA News. This is your reporter, Matilda Ingrid G. Guevara, wishing and praying for a happy weekend, everyone.